How to register account or sign in to JobSeek. If you want to sign up or sign in or register your account and sign in to JobSeek, it's very simple for us to do so. So what we do is we first go ahead and launch the JobSeek app, and this is the interface that you will normally see. So if you have an account, by the way, you can tap the sign in button over there, and then you can go ahead and then basically enter your email address, or you can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, then tap on email me a sign in code if you want to sign into your account. But if you are new to this JobSeek app, you go to this register icon there. Once you go to register, you can register using email address, or you can register using Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. For me, I find Google to be much more easier. So I'll just select my Google account that I want to sync it with. Then I'll tap the continue button. Then once I've done that, I'll be able to go ahead and then tap on the register new account button in this case, and I'll be able to confirm my registration process right here, and my account will be successfully created. I can review some of my profile details if I want to edit them out. So this way I can go ahead and then basically register or sign in to JobSeek. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.